In the automation of industries, electrical parts are the unsung heroes, orchestrating precision and efficiency. In the 1980s, Indian manufacturing was undergoing a rapid transformation, but the shift towards automation of machinery was faced with long lead times due to import of electrical parts. At that time, one engineer saw a vision to accelerate the automation of Indian MSMEs by efficient and timely delivery of electrical components. He embarked on a mission to set up National Group of Companies. At National Group of Companies, selection of the right electrical products isn't just a choice. It's the key to maximizing efficiencies in your machinery. With nearly 40 years of active involvement in the industry, we've not just witnessed the evolution, but actively shaped it as per the market scenario. We are recognized as a trusted provider for electrical solutions from topmost pioneer brands across the world. Fast forward to the present, National Group stands tall with 3 dynamic business verticals: Trading and Value-Added Products Vertical, NEPL, Manufacturing Vertical, NRPL, and Services Vertical, NEEC, each a testament to our commitment to excellence. Our trading business vertical, NEPL, is known for its consultative selling approach. The directors are technocrats who understand the application areas of machines, advising on the right electrical parts to make the machines more reliable and future-ready. From setting up a colossal 21,000 square feet warehouse, which is a treasure trove housing over 1 lakh SKUs of electrical components, to working closely for planning the inventory as per customers' annual demands and entering annual rate contracts, to facilitating a smooth delivery every month as per predetermined schedule in our own vehicles, we assure our customers work on lean inventories and enhanced productivity. We understand that specialized applications can involve more than just selection of the right components. It also requires specialized knowledge and workmanship to assemble the components with right wiring and right connection methods. That's why we have customized automation panels and a range of value-added products like terminal assemblies on DIN rails, cable harnesses, and junction box assemblies. To enable the drive towards a more sustainable India, we set up 2 business verticals. One for manufacturing solar LT panels and solar protection boxes, and another for solar plant development. NRPL, our drive towards Make in India, is set up to manufacture solar protection boxes, LT panels, 800-volt AC panels and drive panels, which can be customized to be certified by various authorized bodies. We have a large manufacturing area and advanced equipment for assembly. Owing to our huge in-house inventory of components, our customers can benefit from lowest industry lead times. At NRPL, we support our customers in efficient installations and carry out engineering and refurbishment projects. NEEC, our solar EPC projects division, helps customers minimize monthly fixed electricity expenses and increase cash flow by executing end-to-end solar projects for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. We use premium components which increase the life and decrease the downtime of a plant. Due to our approach towards quality, faster installations, and flexible payment options, we have won the trust of customers across various industries. Be it automation, solar products, or solar projects, our mission is to deliver solutions that support our customers' progress. National Group of Companies, crafting solutions and powering progress.